Hi everyone, Deb here. Welcome to hashtag Color and Create with Us You Rock Art, hosted by Rosemary's You Rock Art. And I only have a coloring page for you this week. Fortunately, I did have the page in the book for this week. I haven't looked at what next week is yet, so we'll have to wait and see. But this is like the third page, including the cover page in the book for me. And it's this cute little fairy on tropical leaves. And I'm pretty sure I used all Crayola colored pencils for this because I did this down on my sofa and I just had them there with me. And I think she came out adorable. Let me know what you think. Crayola has this color. I wish they would sell it separate. I think it's called powder blue, and it just made for the more translucent look to the wings. I thought about adding gloss, but I just wanted to keep it simple. Just Crayola crayon. I keep saying that, Crayola colored pencils. And yeah, that's it. That's all I used on this. And I really think she's adorable. Now, no, I'm not even going to say it. Never mind. Yeah, I used the skin tones, they have the colors of the world. These are the two lightest in the rose and a little bit of the third lightest, if you will, going a little darker. These and her dress was coral and a melon color, and the melon was actually, I think, the darker of the two. And her sandals are the melon, and then the flower is also the melon, but also with some purpley pink brought in, and same with these flowers. And then this is a combination of golden yellow and the yellow hair color, which is really a bright yellow. Yeah, but she's a little pale face like me. And then her earrings, I was going to originally make this like pearls and use metallics, but I went ahead and did the earrings to match the flowers, and I thought, no, I'll make her little beaded belt the same colors, the purpley pink and the darker corally or melon color or whatever it was. So yeah, I really like it. So I hope you do too. And I don't know what we're doing next week. So next week will be the first week of February, which will be the 3rd. So come back and see what we all have for you then. I don't know if I'll have a page or a create. It depends on if the page that she chooses to do is in my book or not. And I actually did this on the 23rd, which was last Thursday. Um, but I never got the video done until today, the 27th. Okay, guys, that's all I have for now. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to check out Rosemary and everyone else. Hashtags and links, channel link will be down below. And I'll talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.